Hello guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to connect your Canon printer to your computer but getting stuck along the way? Well, it is common for many people to run into these issues like Wi-Fi errors or driver related confusion. In this video, I'll break it down step by step from connecting to the wireless network to installing the right driver and finishing the setup. So let's get started and get your printer working in no time. First, go to your Canon printer's control panel and press the settings button. You'll now see the Wi-Fi setup menu on the screen. Just tap on OK to select it. Now, use the right arrow button and keep tapping until you see the manual connect and press OK. The printer will now start searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. When the list appears, locate your Wi-Fi name and press OK. Alright, now press OK again and start typing in your Wi-Fi password. You can use the settings button to switch between uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and the arrow button to move around. Once the password is entered correctly, hit OK. Your printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. Now that the printer is online, let's finish the setup on your computer. On your computer, open any browser and head over to the Canon IJ Setup website. When the page loads, click on Setup. In the search bar, type in your Canon printer model and click on OK. On the next screen, you'll see the printer image. Just click on Start and keep following on-screen instructions until you see Download button. Hit the Download button, wait for it to finish, and then open the file. If the User Account Control Windows pops up, just click on Yes. The Setup wizard will open. Go ahead and click on Start Setup. On the next screen, click on Next, and when the license agreement appears, choose Yes. You'll now see the Check the Connection Method screen. Just click on Yes to continue. When the Setup Complete screen shows up, click on Next. Finally, hit Exit, and that's it. Your printer is fully set up and ready to print. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.